In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate a user account in Salesforce Lightning, a crucial skill for anyone aiming for their admin certification in 2025. While you may know that Salesforce doesn't allow you to completely delete a user account, even if you're an admin, deactivating users is the next best option. Let's dive right into it so you can manage your user accounts effectively. First, you'll need to log in to Salesforce. On your dashboard, you'll notice a gear icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click that to access the Setup menu. Once you're in Setup, you'll want to open Advanced Setup for more options tailored to administrative tasks. With Advanced Setup open, navigate to the Quick Find box, which is conveniently located at the top of the menu on the left-hand side. This is an incredibly handy tool that Salesforce provides to help you quickly locate features without having to scroll through the extensive menu list. Just type in Users in the Quick Find box and you'll see the Users section appear as an option. Click on that to proceed. Upon clicking Users, you'll be directed to a list of all the user accounts associated with your Salesforce instance. Here you'll want the specific user that you need to deactivate. To make this process efficient, you can make use of the search function or simply scroll through the list until you locate the account. Once you've found the right user, there is a drop-down arrow to the right of the user's details. Click this arrow, and from the drop-down, select the Edit option to open the user's settings page. On this page, you'll see a checkbox labeled Active. This option determines whether a user is active or inactive within the organization. To deactivate the user, all you need to do is uncheck this Active box. What this action does is essentially disable the user's ability to log in and interact with any Salesforce data, but it doesn't remove their record from the system, which is exactly what we want in case you need to reactivate them later or maintain historical data accuracy. Finally, remember to click Save to apply these changes. It's easy to overlook this step, but it's essential for ensuring that the user account is indeed deactivated. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to manage user accounts by deactivating them in Salesforce Lightning. Understanding how to deactivate users is an essential skill for maintaining the integrity and security of your organization's data while complying with Salesforce's limitations. Thank you for joining me in today's guide. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful in mastering yet another aspect of Salesforce administration. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next session.